7-4 ड्यूटी अभी किसका है?
of the country was reported in Kerala on January 30th this year. And the patient was a medical student from Wuhan in China, where this outbreak happened first. After that, 2 more cases were reported on February 2nd. From then onwards, Kerala has been at the forefront of the COVID-19 operations with the opening of a state emergency operations center. As a result of the systematic planning involving the State Disaster Management Authority and the Health Department, the state government successfully resisted the spread of the disease in the first and second phase of the spread, which was appreciated by the World Health Organization, ICMR, and even the Central Health Ministry. Sir, this envious achievement was possible only because of dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, ably supported by the Health Minister, Comrade Shailaja Teacher, and a high-level team involving the Chief Secretary. Sir, stay strict to 5 basic points: contact tracing, quarantine, isolation, hospitalization, infection prevention, and control to systematically prevent the spread of disease. But sir, all of us know Kerala has the largest number of immigrants to foreign countries in all parts of the world and other states of the country. Naturally, lakhs of people return to Kerala from both outside and inside the country. There was a natural increase in the number of COVID patients in third phase. In Kerala also, respective to the increase in the country, the state also increased the number of COVID tests gradually, and result of the systematic implementation of the treatment plan, Kerala has become the state with the lowest COVID death rate, which is far less than 0.4%. It is far less than the country average 1.61%. Even in the number of tests conducted, Kerala is head of the other states. While the case per billion is 3,102 in India, it is just 2,168. Due to lack of time, I don't wish to present the statistics of the states. If we take the death per million, then also Kerala is at the bottom of just 8.4, while the national average is 48. It is 11-fold in Tamil Nadu and 12-fold in Karnataka. We constituted Jagrata Samadhis, each and every ward leading by the people representatives of the local bodies, including the doctors, nurses, other health workers, police, and all those who are involved in this. Sir, I am proud to remind all of you that only because of all these remarkable achievements, the United Nations honored the Kerala Health Minister, Srimati K.K. Shailaja Teacher, for leading from the front. I will just take only just 2 more minutes to bring to the notice of this House how the government in Kerala tackled this pandemic, which I hope will be an eye-opener to the central government. We are giving free testing and treatment to all of Kerala. In addition to the treatment mechanism, Kerala could address all the problems of common people. Relief package of rupees 20,000 crore was announced. So, sir, two minutes.
Yes. No.
2 minutes. Only, just I started you.
Yeah, no. Only
20,000 crore was announced even before the central government. Free ration to all ration card holders, irrespective of the BPL, APL category during the lockdown period. Food kit to essential commodities including cereals and oils for all ration card holders given twice and to be continued for 4 more months. It will cover up 80% of the common population. A rise of rupees 1,000 per month in welfare pension to benefit 60 lakhs people. One-time assistance.
Yes, Arif, please.
Sir, please
conclude.
Please permit. Special assistance for around 80 lakhs employees registered and different employees welfare fund boards. 4,000 crore package under Subiksha Kerala project to enhance the food security. Free community kitchen in all local government institutions during lockdown. I'm not going like this. This is long,
please.
But I restrict here. No, please. But what the central government has done so far tackle this pandemic, sir. Before the end of last session, 23rd March, all of us from Kerala have requested government to announce a financial package. But this government is hesitantly announced the package of rupees 1.7 lakh crore, sir, only after grave criticism came from every corner.
Yes.
Sir. On
Please
the other
conclude,
hand,
conclude.
What the government done was the sudden and unplanned imposition of nationwide lockdown, which forced lakhs of migrant laborers across the country to reach their homes by walking for days, and many of whom died
Honorable
without
Member Shri
food and
Masood ji.
water. Sir. They're like concluding. I'm concluding.
Yeah, please.
Some of the minutes, sir, the government also made mockery of people by asking them to light the lamps, clapping hands, make sound beating plates, and fly pigeons and kites and what no. So COVID-19 will be thrown out of the country. Some of the ministers and some leaders of BJP government had given messages of cow dung, cow urine, and special puppets. Sir, to curtailing the corona. It is not a shame on our democracy, sir. Government which is bound to develop scientific temper, engaging
Masood ji.
in such a cheap publicity. Sir, actually the central government should have become a model to the state governments in this
Please
regard.
conclude, please.
Concluding.
I already called a new-
Only half minute.
I called the
Unfortunate
next speaker, please.
in the due share of the
जनाब चेयरपर्सन साहब
Uh,